Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains Tesla false forward braking alerts in traffic and the potential problems that have been documented based on verified information. In certain Tesla vehicles, forward braking or collision avoidance alerts may activate in dense or slow-moving traffic even when no immediate braking action seems necessary. These alerts can include audible warnings, visual notifications, or brief braking interventions intended to reduce collision risk. This behavior does not affect all vehicles and varies by model year, driver assistance configuration, software version, and traffic environment rather than indicating a guaranteed system fault. Verified information shows that one documented cause involves how camera-based perception systems interpret complex traffic scenarios. In heavy traffic, vehicles frequently change lanes, cut in at close distances, or reduce speed abruptly. The system continuously evaluates relative speed, distance, and predicted motion. When surrounding vehicle behavior creates uncertainty or rapid changes in closing speed, the system may trigger a forward braking alert as a precaution even if the driver perceives the situation as controlled. This video explains commonly documented causes and patterns. Some cases can vary by model year mileage or prior repairs, so this information may not apply to every vehicle. A certified mechanic or dealership should be consulted for vehicle-specific diagnosis. Software-related behavior is also a documented factor. Forward collision warning and automatic emergency braking thresholds are controlled by vehicle software and may be adjusted between updates. Certain software versions apply more conservative logic in urban or stop-and-go traffic, increasing alert frequency when sensor confidence is reduced. As a possible contributing factor, temporary camera visibility issues caused by glare, rain, dirt, or windshield condensation could be related in some vehicles, but this is treated as a possibility rather than a confirmed cause in every case. Traffic environment and road geometry also influence alerts. Curved roads, narrow lanes, or closely spaced vehicles can reduce system confidence in object classification and distance estimation. In such cases, the system may issue braking alerts to prioritize safety even when no collision ultimately occurs. Corrective actions described in verified information include keeping cameras clean, ensuring vehicle software is up to date, and understanding that forward braking alerts are designed to be cautious in unpredictable traffic. If false alerts occur frequently under normal traffic conditions, service inspection may be recommended to review camera calibration and stored diagnostic data. Reviewed information indicates that false forward braking alerts in traffic are not universal and often correlate with specific traffic patterns, road layouts, and software behavior. Some vehicles may experience them rarely, while others may notice them more often depending on driving environment and configuration. In conclusion, Tesla false forward braking alerts in traffic are generally linked to perception limits, conservative safety logic, and complex traffic behavior rather than a universal braking system failure. The issue varies by vehicle and conditions, and resolution depends on accurate system evaluation and ongoing software refinement. If you do not understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. If you have any copyright concerns or inquiries, refer to description for email.